As is the case with cameras, the best flashlight is always going to be the one you have on you. The Nano B9 is likely to fit that bill, as it packs 3 colors of light and 9 operational modes into a coin-sized dual-magnet packing body. Currently the subject of a Kickstarter campaign, the Nano B9 is made by British stuff manufacturer Gadget On. The company previously brought us a rather interesting multi-tool that takes the form of stacked titanium cards. And while Gadget On does indeed describe the Nano B9 as being coin-sized, at 30 by 27 by 13 millimeters, it's a bit like a €2 coin that needs to go on a diet. It's being offered in black anodized aluminum or stonewashed titanium construction, with the 2 models reportedly tipping the scales at 16 and 24 grams. The flashlight contains white, red and ultraviolet LEDs, which are utilized separately in a total of 9 modes. These include night light 1 lumen, low 35 lumens, medium 100 lumens, high 200 lumens and strobe 200 lumens for the white light, low, high and flashing SOS for the night vision friendly red light, and a single steady mode for the UV light, which can be used for tasks like inspecting banknotes. One 30-minute USB-C charge of the 60 mAh lithium polymer battery is said to be good for 15 hours of runtime in nightlight mode. We're still waiting to hear back about more practical modes such as high. Switching between modes is managed via a single central push button. The Nano B9 remembers the mode in which it was most recently used, and automatically reverts to that mode when powered back up after being turned off. And yes, there are 2 built-in magnets, one in the bottom and one on the non-button side. This arrangement allows the flashlight to be stuck to ferromagnetic surfaces either sticking straight out from them or lying down flat. The whole rig is IPX6 water resistant, meaning it can withstand jets of water from any direction. Assuming the Nano B9 reaches production, a pledge of £44 will get you one in aluminum, while £54 will score you a titanium model. The planned retail prices are £60 and £75.